Hello, hello, and welcome to my disaster of a craft room. Kristina Reese here with Creating with Kristina, and I'm going to take you all on a journey with me getting my craft room all purged, organized, and set up, getting ready for a brand new Stampin' Up! Year. Now, Stampin' Up's year starts October the 1st, and it goes all the way, of course, to September 30th. Or 31st. Are there 31 days in September? I never can remember. 30 days has September. Oh my gosh. That's how I am. I'm just a little bit of a scatterbrain. Okay, so what was I talking about? Cleaning up this room for the new year, because every October 1st, we start over for earning the incentive trip, which this year it's going to be a trip to Alaska, a cruise to Alaska, and I really want to earn that trip. Now, it's going to take some hard work. Only about 1% of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators actually earn this trip, but I think I can do it. First, like I said, I got to get this room cleaned up, organized, and get my mind set so that it's all business. Well, and some playtime too. I mean, I make cards for a living, so how fun is that? Okay, well, here we go. I'm going to take you along on my journey. All right, we're starting here with my cutting station. So when you come in my craft room, here is my guillotine, and you can see where I am cutting up papers, getting ready for my changing leaves card kit there. I'm having to cut everything up and get it all packed up for my customers. And then here is a workstation. It's got all my inks, blends, some fun little things to make me happy. Like there's a picture of me in my upline, Francine. She's passed away, however. There's a couple of my grandkids and my husband. Just a lot of cool stuff there. Then I have a work calendar up here, and I never put anything on there for September. Yeah, I kind of fizzled out at the end of this year, but that's okay. But so October, I'll get it all filled out. Then I have some storage here, my TV. I love watching TV while I'm working. Here is my filming station. So this is, let's see, this is an Archon camera holder. It holds my phone, and then my laptop films my face. And so they talk to each other, and I can go back and forth while making a video. You can see out my front yard to my neighbor's yard, and he usually has beautiful flowers growing. We're transitioning seasons right now. It's, like I said, it's almost fall. Well, I guess technically it is fall, but here in Texas, you never know. Okay, I have business books up here. Oh, my left hand is so shaky. Business books up here. Here is just a bunch of storage, my current stamps, not stamps, punches, ribbons, paper, all kinds of stuff. So storage here is, now I have an electric cut and emboss machine instead of a hand one. This is a photo printer. These are all, I love this. So this was a, like for running and stuff, metals, but I bought this and had Stampin' Up! Put up there. These are all my lanyards from all the conferences and all the buttons and things. That's a lot of fun. Of course, spotlights to help the lighting for the film. All right, and then this side of the room, I've got more just storage. This is the nightmare. All right, so this is what I am going to start with. I'm going to purge all of this stuff out of here. I'm going to go through it and decide what needs to be kept, what needs to be given away, sold, whatever. Okay. And then these are my current stamps that you see behind me when I'm filming. And there we go. And we're back to the beginning. All right. So that is my craft room at the moment. I can't wait for y'all to come back and see it when it's been cleaned up a little bit. Hello, hello. Well, it has been a while. A lot of things have changed. It is now February. I started this back in September. Like I said, a lot of things have changed, including my haircut. I had rotator cuff December the 6th. So some things kind of got put on hold for a while, but I am finished redoing this craft room, and I am so excited to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we are standing at the door looking in at the room. this would be a fun game to play. Circle the things that are different. Anyways, the first thing you'll notice that's different is that my desk now extends all the way across. So it used to just be right there, and there was blank spots there, and well, anyways, it was really different. So now I go all the way across. My husband cut this tabletop in half for me, and I moved these two Alex drawers over here to support it. And then I have the pole here in the center. And actually my cup holder is bracing the two tabletops together. It just worked out that way. Anyway, so that, and I'll give you a close-up of the desk in a little bit. And if you want to know details about what's in the drawers or what's in the baskets, I'll kind of do that at the end. But right now I just want to do a real quick overview of the entire room. So I always like starting from the left. So I'm going to come over here. All right. Like I said, this is really, really different. Hold on, I gotta way back up. There we go. Okay, right here I had that guillotine. This whole calyx is brand new. I bought this 4x4 here. I took my calendar down, my whiteboard down. I really didn't use those. And so I just said, well, I just don't need them. And now I've got room up here to put really fun things to look at and stuff. I still, of course, have my TV set, have to watch my Hallmark channel in the Christmas. Right now I'm watching Bones on Fubo. Anyways, my inks all right here now. And under my desk, I don't know if you see, I know my hand's so shaky. I hate holding it with my left. Cardstock, scrapbook kits, designer series paper. And if you can see way back there by the window, there's a little perch for my cats. Anyways, let me come up here. This is my desk. So I have my filming station. That's the same pretty much. My Archon, my computer. This is a cutting. Zoom in here. This is so awesome. I love this thing. I just got this at Amazon. It's just a makeup thing. I love using that word. Just stuff I need for when I'm filming. I've got my computer here. Now, back here is my new cutting station. So I have my Cricut and my large and small cut and emboss machines and the plates that I use all the time. Over here, I have this electric cutter on the Rascog cart, and then these are my dies and embossing folders, and down here extra plates, and also adhesive sheets and stuff like that. This is also a printing station, so I have my shipping labels, because I run a business, so I'm having to ship things all the time. And then my photograph printer, because we're now into scrapbooking, which I absolutely love. More storage. So there's extra cardstock. This is my 12x12 cardstock. I have a recycle basket and a regular basket. And here is my guillotine cutter. It's up here in storage now because I just don't use it that often. I don't know. And up here, I don't have my business books anymore. I put my albums that I have finished over the years. So that's a lot of fun. And then way up there, those are boxes that I've received from Stampin' Up. I just thought they were so pretty. And those albums were too big to fit in these areas. Anyways, and the cats can still get across. They go up here, across the TV, across the curtains, and leap over here. And then they sit up here and watch me. And then they come down this way. They just have a regular jungle gym. There is the closet doors. And I actually redid the closet. So I can't wait to share that with you. And of course, my chair. I actually have two chairs in this room, one for me and one for a guest. And then these are my current stamps. So that's not changed either. Okay, so let's look inside this closet. All right, here is the closet. Now it looks similar, but it is very different. Still the same, all the birthday. That's just an IKEA. I don't know if you can see it there, but that's just an IKEA wrapping paper station. And then over here I have, that's the shoe, over the door shoe rack. Oh, we have a visitor. Say hi, Weston. He says, no, Mama, I just want you to feed me. Okay. Kitty cats. All right. All my boxes are labeled. I am so excited about this. I went and I got, I say they're labeled and then the stickers are coming off. These are all my retired stamps. The stickers really are coming off. I'm going to have to get packing tape and stick that on there. Those are name tag stickers. And I just put, retired stamps on it. Now down here, I have, what's back there? All occasion cards. Then I have these cards that I actually use. Thank you cards that I send out, birthday cards I send out, thinking of you, get well cards. Every girl needs a toolkit, okay? This is a serious toolkit. I've got work gloves, I've got a staple gun, I got a balancer, I have pliers. Let's see, what else do I have? There's all the screwdrivers and stuff. Up here, whoopsie, up here I have a hammer, and oh, I love this. This is my box cutter, and it has little kitten paw prints on it. I'm such a cat woman, I swear, cat girl. Okay, anyways, I got this little thing here from Amazon. It's a nice book holder shelf separator. And it's more sturdy than the plastic ones. It's a metal one. Love it. Anyways, all these boxes are now labeled. These are fancy packaging. These are 3D projects that I've completed and I didn't want to get rid of. These are extra card kits that I've made that I need to sell. I've got team prizes, customer prizes. I have Weston here to say hello. I have Cricut vinyl. I've got office supplies and Christmas cards from last year. Yes, and Weston again. Say hi, Westy. Oh, he's such a good boy. All right, so that is my closet now. I love it. It is all cleaned up. It is all organized. I can just open the doors, go right to what I want. I did say at the end of the video I would share some of what's in the baskets and boxes and things. Let me pull these out of the way. And everything's labeled so I can find it. So like up here I have Cricut stuff. So more Cricut vinyl, more Cricut pens, blades, the transfer tape. These are current punches. These are scrapbook. Some of these are retired, some of these are current, but I'm keeping my scrapbook stamps kind of separate. The ones that I think really work really well on stamp books. Now, I just don't want to go through all of this. It would take all day, but yeah, so I keep all my business books down here. So that's my finance binder, planner. Hey, kitten. Oh boy, Weston really wants my attention. Ribbons, inks, all of this is right at so I'm working right here and I can just grab what I need over here. I've got my envelopes, I've got my bling, I've got my blocks and my adhesive. So it's all right here. I love it. Underneath my desk, I don't know if I shared this, that is cardstock, scrapbook kits, designer paper, and then way back there, that's Weston and Calamity's little perch so they can watch outside. Anyways, I hope you really enjoy this video. I know watching other people's craft room videos can really help you come up with some ideas for your own craft rooms. And I hope this one helped you. If it did, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you for another card making video soon. Bye-bye.